Imagine a world where digital is not just an option, but the very core of our existence. What does that world look like in the post-COVID era? Today, we delve into this intriguing topic with Sandeep Raut, a leading figure in the realm of digital transformation. Good day, Sandeep. The post-COVID era has seen a surge in digital transformation. Why has this become the new normal? Digital transformation, you see, is not just about technology, it's about reshaping businesses and society. When COVID-19 hit, it accelerated the need for digital capabilities everywhere. So, the new normal is not just about surviving, but thriving in a digital-first world. Intriguing. So, how can businesses ensure they are part of this thriving digital-first world? Businesses need to embrace change. They need to reimagine their business models, processes, and culture to create value in this digital era. It's about becoming more agile, more innovative, and more customer-centric. Excellent insights, Sandeep. What role does leadership play in driving digital transformation? Leadership is critical. Leaders need to drive the vision for digital transformation, inspire their teams, and make tough decisions. They need to be the change agents, pushing their organizations to adapt and evolve. Absolutely. Now, could you tell us what pitfalls businesses should avoid during their digital transformation journey? The biggest pitfall is resisting change. Businesses need to overcome their fear of the unknown and embrace the digital revolution. Another common mistake is focusing too much on technology and not enough on the people and processes. Remember, digital transformation is a holistic approach. Great points, Sandeep. Finally, what does the future hold for digital transformation in the post-COVID era? The future is bright. With advancements in technologies like AI, IoT, and blockchain, we're moving towards a more connected, intelligent, and transparent world. Digital transformation is going to be at the heart of this evolution. Thank you, Sandeep, for your enlightening insights on digital transformation. In a nutshell, digital transformation in the post-COVID era is about embracing change, reimagining business models, focusing on people and processes, and leveraging advanced technologies. It's about creating a digital-first world where businesses are not just surviving, but thriving. Remember, the future is digital, and it's here to stay. Contact us at info@goingdigital.in